Hello, for this video, I'm gonna make a spicy potato recipe, and here I already prepared 3 peeled potatoes, tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garlic and chili powder, a salt, coriander leaves, 6 cloves of garlic, and half lemon. Now let's get started. Now let's start cutting our potatoes. Cut into half and slice into strand like this. Slice into medium cubes. Set aside. Smash our garlic. Done. Now cut our fresh coriander leaves. Cut into small slice. Set aside. Now squeeze our lemon. Done. All our ingredients are already prepared. Now let's start frying our potato. In our preheated oil, let's fry our potato. Our potatoes done. They are turning into brown. So let's remove from the oil. Once our potato turns to brownish color, then it's ready to remove from oil. Now in another pan, let's put our fried potatoes on the fire. Let's add our smashed garlic. Add teaspoon of salt. Let's add our seasonings. Mix all together. After mixing all together, let's add our coriander leaves. And let's add our squeezed lemon. Mix a little bit. Now let's turn off our gas, and our simple, tasty, spicy potato recipe is ready to serve. So yummy. Tastes so, smells so good.